In anticipation of Apple's imminent announcement of the iPhone 17 series, a particularly striking rumor has swiftly taken center stage: the introduction of an orange finish for the Pro Max model. This development marks a notable departure from the traditionally muted palette of Apple's Pro devices, where shades such as space black, silver, and deep blue have long prevailed. Leaked dummy units appear to showcase an orange variant that is neither flamboyant nor garish. Rather, it is refined and subdued, combining an effervescent character with understated elegance. This nuanced tone may resonate with discerning users who favor aesthetics endowed with both personality and sophistication. Conversely, indications suggest that the standard iPhone 17 models will adopt a more restrained approach to color. Early leaks propose softened versions of blue, green, and other tonalities, none of which seem to replicate the bold vibrancy of the iPhone 16's teal or bright yellow offerings. Indeed, the green option appears notably muted, and the iPhone 17 Air variants seem particularly subdued without a vibrant case overlay, a disadvantage for consumers who value expressive design. Observers continue to reminisce about the yellow finish introduced with the iPhone 14, celebrated for its joyful brightness. This popular shade was ultimately absent from the iPhone 15 and 16 lineups, and still enjoys widespread fan interest. In recent informal polls, respondents expressed a strong preference for saturated tones such as red, purple, and blue. Even yellow registered significant support. These findings suggest there remains a robust appetite for bold, colorful options. The emergence of the orange iPhone 17 Pro Max may signal that Apple is beginning to entertain a more adventurous color strategy for its high-end models, an approach that acknowledges Pro users who wish to express individuality, not just professionalism. Should Apple supplement this with a return of yellow, or perhaps introduce another vibrant hue, it would likely generate considerable enthusiasm among its design-conscious audience. Until the official unveiling, speculation continues unabated. Regardless of technical specifications, the iPhone 17's presentation will undoubtedly be shaped by its color story. Should Apple embrace this opportunity to offer unexpected and stylish finishes, the iPhone 17 could well define a new chapter in the evolution of device color, where elegance and self-expression stand hand in hand. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.